December is already half gone and most of you haven't completed your syllabus. But don't worry, मैं आपको एक ऐसी practical 30 day syllabus completion strategy दूंगी जो क्लास 10 and 12 दोनों के students follow कर कर जैन तक पूरा सिलेबस खत्म प्लस स्ट्रॉन्ग रिवीजन कर सकते हैं. ये स्ट्रैटेजी टॉपर्स वेरीफाइड, साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली रियलिस्टिक है. इमेजिन सिर्फ 30 डेज के बाद आप बोल पाओगे यस माय एंटायर सिलेबस इज डन, और बोर्ड एग्जाम से पहले आपके पास होंगे 4 to 6 वीक्स रिवीजन के लिए. लेट्स बिगिन. बट एक नोटबुक लेकर बैठ जाओ. दिस माइट बी द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो ऑफ योर बोर्ड्स prep. Let's start with the part 1, why most of the students fail to complete their syllabus before time. Because they start randomly without a clear plan. Number 2, they spend 3 hours on one chapter. Number 3, they keep switching between the subjects. And number 4, they wait for perfect study mode, which in natural never comes. Number 5, they follow long, unrealistic timetables. But toppers follow one rule. They follow small targets plus high consistency equals to full syllabus done. Part number 2, the 30 day smart syllabus completion strategy. I have divided this into phases. Phase 1, 10 days syllabus breakdown and fast coverage. सबसे पहले you have to divide your syllabus into 4 categories. Category A, B, C and D. Category A is for high weightage plus easy chapters. Finish these first because this will include your quick wins. Category B, medium difficulty plus scoring. For example, you can solve your maths, short chapters, physics theory, business studies, etc. Category C is for long chapters. Do these parallelly so you don't get bored. Category number D, weak areas. These should be given 20 to 30 minutes daily. You have to follow the most important rule, that is complete category A plus half of category B in days 1 to 10. You can use 2 to 3 to 1 technique. That's 2 easy topics, 3 medium topics, 1 difficult topic. Let's come to phase 2, next 10 days. Now, these next 10 days will include your complete remaining syllabus. Day 11 से 20 तक ये 10 डे में कैटेगरी B प्लस C प्लस वीक एरियाज को फिनिश करना है. Now, follow this routine. 60 minutes theory reading, 45 minutes NCERT or book solving, 30 minutes PYQs, 20 minutes your weak topic. Repeat these 2 cycles daily. ऐसे 5 to 6 hours of focus study will equal to entire syllabus done in only 20 days. Phase number 3, final 10 days. You have to solidify here everything. Last 10 days are not for new chapters. You have to follow this rule called RPR method. Revise, practice, repeat. Daily routine includes 1 hour is for your past year papers, 30 minutes are for incorrect questions, 1 hour is for sample paper, 2 hours are for revision of tough chapters, and 20 minutes are for formula, notebook, diagrams, anything you choose. इस फेज के एंड तक your syllabus will be completed, one full revision done, weak area strengthened, and paper part pattern will be mastered. Part number 3, toppers micro strategies. Now these are the most important ones. Number 1, don't make notes, make the question notebooks. Write only important questions, PYQ concepts, tricky formulas. Number 2, weekend is equals to full length sample paper day. Every Sunday you have to solve 3-hour paper. It will boost confidence and speed. Number 3, use 45 to 10 rule. Now, you have to study 45 minutes and you have to take break for 10 minutes. It will calm your brain and your brain will stay fresh. Number 4, stop overreading. Boards are for accuracy, not for depth. Number 5, apply 2 revision guarantee rule. Don't sleep without revising what you studied that day. If you follow this 30-day plan honestly, I promise your entire syllabus will be completed somewhere around mid-Jan and you have whole Fab and half Jan with you for revision, for practice and for solving sample papers. And that's exactly how toppers score 90 plus. So comment below, I'm ready and we will start this journey together. Before you leave, listen carefully. If this 30-day syllabus strategy made sense to you, if you felt, हाँ अब clear है क्या करना है, then please like this video, hit the hype button and also subscribe for my new upcoming videos.